You know that every time a Jamaican national team goes into battle, the Maverick is in full support. We always hope and wish and pray for the very best for the Jamaican teams. Sometimes depending on the assignment, the circumstances, and the opponents, sometimes we are more confident than at other times. For this particular mini tournament in Austria for the Reggae Boyz against African teams Ghana and Morocco and the World Cup hosts Qatar, while not the most scary opposition, me still feel uncomfortable with this trip, at least the football aspect of it. First of all, the team don't have a permanent coach. The squad itself is made up predominantly of local-based players, players mostly from the Jamaica Premier League, which ended from early July. So we're in the middle of the JPL off-season. Now, in the middle of the JPL regular season, our players are unfit. Then how much worse will they be in the middle of the off-season? We are going to find out in this tournament. Plus, the fact that this is yet another group of players hurriedly assembled to make this trip. Realistically, what can we expect from this team? Eh? Go Jamaica! Go Jamaica! Go Reggae Boyz! Go Reggae Boyz! Go Reggae!